Hello friends, today we are going to learn about JavaScript events. So, what is an event? Basically, when a page load, it when a page load or anything happens that is known as an event. When a user clicks a button that clicks to an event. Other example including event like pressing any key, closing a window, resizing a window, etc. might be an example of event. So JavaScript interact with HTML is, is handled through events that occurs when the user or browser manipulate a page. Events are a part of a document object model or DOM level 3 and every HTML element contain a set of events which are triggered JavaScript code. What is it? So let us have a look towards the HTML events. HTML elements are the things that happen to the HTML elements. When a JavaScript is used in HTML pages, JavaScript can react on these events. JavaScript let you execute when events are detected. HTML allows event handler attribute to with JavaScript code to add the events to the HTML document. So an HTML event can be something that the browser does or something a user does. Where here are some of the examples of HTML elements. An HTML page has finished loading. An HTML input field was changed. An HTML button was clicked. All these are can be trigger the HTML JavaScript events. So in such a way, the event can be called or happen. Common HTML elements events are some of the events are on change in which when an HTML page has been detected with any of the change, it will the on change function will call a function or an event for the particular event, and likewise on click when the user clicks an HTML element which calls an event which was on click and performs an event, or on mouse over when the user moves the mouse over an HTML element, the mouse over event get triggered and make the JavaScript to happen something in the page. Likewise on key down, on load, these are some of the HTML events. And likewise there are many more of the HTML events. So what can a JavaScript do? Event header can use to handle and verify input user action and browser actions. Things that should be done every time on a page load, or things that should be done when the page is closed. The action that should be performed when a user clicks a button. Content that should be verified when a user input the user. Some of these things can JavaScript do on the basis of the event, and many more can it can do with the event. But many of the different methods can be used to let JavaScript work with the events. So they are HTML event attribute can be executed JavaScript code directly, or HTML event attribute can call JavaScript functions, or you can assign your own event handler function to the HTML elements, or you can prevent events from begin sent to beginning handle, and in such a way we can work with the events which can be handled by the JavaScript